Greetings everyone from WP Royal. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to display your advanced custom fields into your post grid widget. So as you can see here, I have a few posts or property listing, and I would like to add some custom fields maybe right after post excerpt. I have already created my custom fields like city, zip code, and URL for more info. And I have already entered some demo values for those fields for each post, as you can see it right here. So first of all, we need to edit this page with Elementor. But before we do it, let me remind you that this functionality is only available in Pro version of Royal Elementor Addons. As you can see, I have already installed and activated all the necessary plugins, including Royal Addons Premium. Alright, let's go back to our page and edit with Elementor. So this is our post grid widget, and if you're interested, you can find it right here. So let's click on Edit. And to add some custom fields, we need to go to Elements. And as you can see here, we have all the elements that we are using right now, like title, excerpt, and read more button. So let's click on Add Item. In Select Element, choose Custom Field, and finally let's select the name of the custom field. In my case, it will be City. And just like that, our custom field is already displayed. Keep in mind that you can only use textual or numeric custom fields. There are a few ways to change its position. For example, we can select the location, maybe like above media, like this, or even over media if you want. But I'll go back to below media option because we can also drag and drop our custom field and change its position manually. So let's quickly highlight some of the settings that come with custom fields. We can choose how we want it to be displayed, and the options are inline, separate line, and custom width. There's also an option to use field value as button link, and I'll show it to you in a few seconds, as well as how Wrapwiz HTML works. But before that, let's check the extra text display setting. If you want your field value to have some extra text before or after, you can choose it here and then enter some text, city for example, and now before every value it will display extra text. You can also display icon before or after the value, upload your own or use one from the library. Alright, it's time to check how to use field value as button link. So let me very quickly add another custom field. Select field, info URL this time, and as you can see right now it is displayed as plain text. And to turn it into a clickable link, let's activate this option. It will disappear for now, but don't worry, all we have to do is to add some extra text, and whatever you enter here will be used as button text. Visit agent website in my case. Finally, if you want your links to be opened in a new tab, just activate this option. Let me very quickly put it above read more link. Right now our fields have an exactly same styling, which is not very nice, especially for the link, and the reason is that both of them are set to predefined custom field style 1. So let's go to the settings of the URL field. Again, you can see that it's set to style 1. Change it to field style 2, and now it looks more like a link. But I want to make it look more like a button. And to do so, we need to go to the style settings, scroll down a bit, and let's find our predefined styles. First, let's edit this style 1. For example, we can change the color of the text. Scroll down again, and in custom style 2, let's set the color to white, make the background darker, and quickly add some paddings and margins. And of course, we can always change the hover state of the button, just like that. And I'm sorry for my poor color selection. The last setting I would like to show you is how to use Wrapwiz HTML option. And it can be very handy if you want to use some custom HTML. So let's quickly add another custom field. It will be a zip code this time. Let me drag it above read more. this is our zip code and I want to wrap it with some HTML. So activate this option, and now we need to use some predefined keyword to display a field value. So let me paste some HTML and I'll explain what's going on here. The first HTML tag displays the word zip code, just like we did it with before and after text, and it is wrapped with span tag. The second HTML tag displays the actual value of the field, but we need to use this CF value wrapped with asterisk symbols. And here I'm also using strong tags just to make it bolder. So again, CF value is a keyword that displays the field value, and you can use custom HTML to change its markup or add some extra text. So let's update the page and preview our changes. As you can see, it looks exactly as we edited it in Elementor. I think this is for now. If you have any questions, please go to royalelementoraddons.com, where you can get help from our support team, download the plugin, or upgrade to Pro. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next tutorial.